Your cycle length should be between 21 days to 35 days. Your flow should be between 3 days to 7 days. No pain or just little cramp with normal flow. But when your cycle length is less than 21 days or more than 35 days, and you flow for less than 2 days or you flow for more than 7 days, that you are in pain, it affects your daily activities. This is when your period becomes irregular. And when this is happening consecutively for more than 3 months, you need to start taking action. Don't ignore it. Every month flow, it should be a basic health check, because what you see or how you see your period every month should be a sign to tell you that there's something happening inside you that needs to be addressed. In this video, I'll be sharing with you what are heavy period or irregular period and how to address it from the root cause. So what causes irregular period? Irregular period can be caused from medical issue, lifestyle changes, diet, and a lot. So number one we'll be looking at is hormonal imbalances. Hormonal imbalances because two hormones are responsible for your period, for your menstrual cycle, for your whole cycle, which are estrogen and progesterone. But when anything affects excessive estrogen in your system, it can affect your period. That is hormonal imbalances. Second is PCOS. PCOS is polycystic ovarian syndrome, and this is when a particular male hormone androgen is high on your system, and this can result into developing or growing of hair around your chin, around your chest, lower abdomen. High androgen level can go as far as making you have severe acne that is very difficult to treat. But it doesn't stop there. These are just the physical sign. It goes deeper into forming cysts around the walls of your ovaries, and this can make it very difficult for you to ovulate effectively. That can lead into menstrual bleeding every month. That will be irregular. The third cause of irregular period is high prolactin level. Prolactin level is a hormone that is responsible for lactation during breastfeeding. It's supposed to be on the high side when pregnant or when you're breastfeeding, but on a normal day, if it's on the high side, it can tell on your period. It can cease your period altogether and prevent ovulation. You know, when there's no ovulation, there will not be period. The fifth is excessive weight loss, sudden weight loss. When you are losing weight, like a weight loss that is not achievable, 10 kg in a month, that is so significant, and this can tell on the production of leptin. Leptin is actually produced by fat cells, and when you have significant drop in your fat cells, there will be significant drop in leptin level, and leptin level is responsible production of estrogen to an extent, and also some reproductive hormone. And the last cause of your regular period will result from low energy level. Low energy level will result from over exercising. You are not getting enough energy, you are losing through excessive exercise. So keep your exercise moderate. Or you are losing a lot of calories and you're not getting them through your meal. Ovulation need energy, and at your menstrual phase as well, you need energy. So when you have low energy level, your body will just signal your brain that shut down, we don't have enough environment. But the energy is the environment. You need it in a lot of your activities that is happening in your body. So to just tell the brain to shut down the production of some hormones that are responsible during ovulation, during menstruation. That is why you just see irregular period, or you don't even see your period, or you don't even ovulate at all. So when you know all this, you have to start addressing it from the root cause. The medical conditions like PCOS, high androgen level, which is into PCOS, high prolactin level, all these can be addressed by working hand in hand with your healthcare provider by taking medication to address them, so that you can bring the level of those hormones to the right level your body needs. Then work on your stress level as well, sleep well, do moderate exercise that will not be too much on your body, will not be telling on your body. Have a lot of vegetables and fruits that nourishes your body. And all these medical issues are still rooted into high estrogen. Make sure you eat meals that make digestion easy for you, so that you can get excessive estrogen from your system, hydrate well, and supplement when needed, especially if you run into deficiency. We have come to the end of this video, ladies. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment how do you manage your irregular period, and also share this video to someone as well that needs to benefit and get the right information as a woman. See you in the next video. Bye.